Happy morning, children. So, let us start with the lesson. So, what is the lesson we were seeing? Yes, do bakriyan. So, open book page number 36. Children, till now we saw that these two goats, their names are Buri and Shama. They are very naughty. Okay, so they were under the control of shepherd, but since they are very naughty, he couldn't control these two goats. So he planned something. What did he plan? He tied both of them together with a single rope. Okay, now and he left these two bakri or these two goats in the home, and this shepherd he has taken other goats to the forest. Now let's see what these two goats are going to do sitting in the home. Okay, let's continue with the lesson, children. दोनों थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे बढ़ती जाती. Now they started moving now, right? So दोनों means they both. थोड़ा थोड़ा means slowly. Okay, slowly, little by little. आगे बढ़ती जाती, तो started moving front little by little. घास की टोकरी अब थोड़ी दूर थी. Now where is the टोकरी? What do you mean by tokri? We have already seen, right? Tokri is nothing but basket. So basket is filled with what? Grass, right? So ghas ki tokri means the basket is filled with the grass. Now where it is? Ab thodi dur thi. It is little distance only now. Okay, first it was very far. Now it is little bit near to them. तभी श्यामा दूसरी तरफ मुंह कर चलने लगी. Now what this Shama did, he turned towards the another side and he started moving. Buri की रस्सी खींची. So now what happened? The Buri is the name of the another goat. So रस्सी खींची means what? This रस्सी or the thread became little bit tight. Okay. वह बोली ऐसे नहीं श्यामा. So now she is advising to Shama that you should not walk like this. What we should do? एक तरफ मुंह कर दोनों साथ साथ चलेंगी तो आगे बढ़ पाएंगी. Now this Buri, she is advising to Shama that if you turn towards another side, it is little bit tight, so we cannot move front. So if both the faces are towards one direction, okay, move कर दोनों साथ साथ चलेंगे. So if we walk together, then we can move very fast. Okay, then Shama सीधी हो गई. Now what happened? Shama, she turned front. Okay, सीधी हो गई means she has become straight now. दोनों फिर टोकरी की ओर बढ़ी. Now they started moving towards the basket. Okay, children. टोकरी पास आ गई. Now the basket became little bit near to them. दोनों ने एक साथ टोकरी में मुंह डाला. Now what they did after seeing the grass nearby them, these two goats, they put their mouth together inside the basket for eating the grass, right? Next, मजे से दोनों घास खाने लगी. Now what they did, they started eating the grass and enjoyed that very much. Okay. शाम को गडरिया आया. शाम को गडरिया आया means शाम means in the evening. Who came? Gadariya. Who is the Gadariya here? Shepherd, right? So he came in the evening. Then what happened? उसने दोनों बकरियों को खोल दिया और खोला. So now what he did? He removed the thread from the neck of these two goats. Who are those two goats? Shama and Buri, right? दोनों अपने पिछले पाँव पर खड़ी हो गई. Now what they did? पिछले पाँव पर खड़ी हो गई means these two goats, they bent towards the Gadariya or the shepherd. Can you see here? They are bending in front and this leg is towards the top. How this buri is standing there. Okay, so this is the explanation. पीछे पाँव पर खड़ी हो गई. दोनों बोली मैं. So they are making the sound. Okay, so mostly these goats, what they do, whenever they see the shepherd after some time, they make a sound, right? So like that they are now saying मैं. हम आपके साथ जंगल जाएंगी. हम आपके साथ जंगल जाएंगी means now these two goats are saying we'll go to forest with you. Okay, so with you we all will go to forest. गडरिया बोला शरारत तो नहीं करेगी. Now this गडरिया is advising to or asking this Shama and Buri that you both will not do naughtiness, right? Then only I'll take you to the forest. Okay. दोनों ने सिर हिलाया. न. Now what happened? Now this Gadariya is asking that I'll take you to the forest, but you should not be naughty there, or you should not do any naughtiness in the forest. Then only I'll take you. For that, these two goats, what they are doing? They are shaking their heads and saying na means nahi, or we will not do. Okay, children, from this lesson what do we learn? We learn that if we work together, how much ever the difficulty comes, we can succeed in that problem, right? So we should be always together, stay together. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next class.